and welcome back. I am doing 3 cards today using the Pink and Main March Crafty Courtyard kit. This kit is so cute. It reminds me of New Year's Eve, to tell you the truth, but it is a birthday theme. And so I have already like pre-colored and pre stamped my images just to make the videos go by a little bit more smoother and quicker, because I am not a quick crafter. The colors that I mainly use on my images, I use the Spectrum Noir Trend Blend, and I use the colors Antique Pink Blend, Ice Gray Blend, Gold Yellow Blend, and the Ice Gray shades. And so here is a quick card that I use using the kit, and I love the gold glitter paper that they have because it doesn't spill out anywhere. I hot foiled the sentiment. Here's a virtual birthday hug, and in my previous video I actually showed me using my hot foil machine to do this sentiment. So because I had another one, I wanted to go ahead and use that sentiment again. And I just want to remind everybody to subscribe to my channel to get more to get notifications for when I post up my videos. I am getting close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 700 and something. And so I'm trying to get to my 1,000. And so it would be greatly appreciated if you subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like this video. That lets me know if you're enjoying the content or not. Okay, here I am using some scrapbook.com. I think this is the 1/8 inch foam strips. And I absolutely love those foam strips. They're the perfect size, so when you send off your cards in the mail, it doesn't give too much bulk. And I'm also going to be using the Sequence collection. And I think I need to get some of those trays. I see other crafters with the trays that they put their sequins in so it doesn't make a mess. I need to get me some of that. Okay, here I think I place about. Do I do just 3? I think I may do just 3 on this card. And I'm using my Barely Art glue. I am in love with that glue. I'm so glad that I discovered it. Okay, so this is going to do it for this particular card. On the next card, I did some embossing. I used the embossing folder that comes in the kit. And then I had also pulled out my Perfect Pearl mist, and I sprayed some the gold Perfect Pearls along with, I have a black one. Let me see. Because I use Heirloom Gold, and I used, oh gosh, what was it called? Oh, it was the Black Magic Glimmer Mist from Tattered Angels to do my background. And so I just wanted to add something extra. And on this card, I use the black glitter paper, and I die cut that out with some circle dies. So I'm just going through the images that I colored to find the image that I want to use along with the sentiment. And when you do some pre-coloring and pre-stamping like this, it does help make card making so much easier because you already have everything done. So you can mass produce some cards or get several cards done at one time. So I do recommend when you get your stamp sets, just get some out and just color. Just spend a day coloring and not worrying about making the card. Just get the coloring done so that way when you do sit down to create, you already have that part of your project completed. I know it definitely helped me out with getting these cards done, or else it would have taken me several days to get it done with having to color and then die cut and then do some splattering. It's like I said, I am a slow crafter. Now I don't know about you, but it's like when I'm done with one card, it's like, oh, I need a break. And in this kit, we also got some clear dots. So this is like it's like a glass mirror dot, and I'm going to apply five of those to my card. I love how this card turned out. I'm rediscovering old techniques that I haven't done in years, such as the splattering. I forgot how gratifying that can be. Okay, so here is where I am applying those dots. And for our final card, I'm using the silver and the black glitter paper. I just absolutely love glitter paper. Now, if you notice on the back of my card base, I had like a stamped image. It wasn't stamped, I actually printed it out because I do have my own card making business. So, I do sell greeting cards. And so, what I did was I took a couple of sheets of cardstock and ran them through my printer that has my Etsy shop on it, my Instagram account, and that it was made by me. And so that way, when I do my cards, that's already done and on there. And it's just a way. So even if I'm just sending these cards out to as a part of I do racks, or if I'm sending it out to somebody for a thank you note or a birthday, a happy birthday, it also just promotes my business. So I do like having that on there. Okay. So I decided to use some strips of glitter paper and angle it at a diagonal. I love that. And then I use some black cardstock to mat this layer on. And then what I did was I used some balloons and a present, and I tried to make it look like one image. And you're going to see that in a minute. As I look at myself crafting, I'm like, am I too proper when I put down my when I'm crafting? Like I'm too prissy. It's kind of fun to go back in when you do the voiceovers and you're looking at yourself creating the card. And I do prop that up on some dimensionals at the bottom and at the top, and then just adhere using the Barely Art glue in the middle, just so that everything is leveled off. And I'm going to also pop up the sentiment, and I'm going to have that at a diagonal. And that's going to be it for these 3 cards today. I really enjoyed it. And don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel to know when I am posting up other videos. I'm having so much fun getting back into creating and making videos again. So this is very enjoyable for me. So I hope that you enjoy and you come back soon. Bye-bye.